Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Cutting carbs and sugar doesn't mean compromising on nutrition. Today, we're diving into the healthiest foods with zero carbs and no sugar, perfect for your low-carb or keto lifestyle. First on the list, eggs. High in protein and packed with essential nutrients like choline and vitamin D, eggs are carb-free and a fantastic energy booster. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are low-calorie and nutrient-dense, offering vitamins A and C, iron, and calcium, all without a single carb or gram of sugar. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and fiber, but contain no sugar and virtually no carbs. They're perfect for heart health and keeping you full longer. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain and heart health. Plus, they're completely carb and sugar-free. Lean cuts of meat and poultry like chicken, turkey, and beef are excellent sources of protein with zero carbs or sugar, keeping you fueled throughout the day. Cheese lovers rejoice. Many varieties, like cheddar and mozzarella, are low in carbs and sugar-free while providing calcium and protein for strong bones and muscles. Extra virgin olive oil is a healthy fat that's perfect for cooking or salad dressings. It contains zero carbs or sugar and promotes heart health. These carb-free and sugar-free foods aren't just healthy, they're delicious too. Add them to your meals and enjoy a guilt-free lifestyle. Did you find this list helpful? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FitLife Fusion for more tips on healthy living. See you next time.